Mama packed my lunch in red, had a bow stuck in my hair. New shoes squeaked on the tile. I acted tough, but I was scared. The bus rolled up by the fence, my name tag flipped in the wind. I held my notebook tight like a little spark in my hand. Then you smiled at me by the chalkboard door, and my whole day turned into more. One day at school, and I found you. One day at school made me feel brand new. You passed me a note, I still keep it too. One day at school was the day I knew. One day at school. Lunch tray clattered on the bench. We shared fries and a laugh. You drew stars on my worksheet, and I wrote mine on the back. Now every bell I hear still brings you near. One little look made it all so clear. One day at school, and I found you. One day at school made me feel brand new. You passed me a note, I still keep it too. One day at school was the day I knew. Years went by so fast, but I can still see that shy little smile looking right at me. Some days change a life in a single haul. Mine was your hand and that first day call. One day at school, and I found you. One day at school made me feel brand new. You passed me a note, I still keep it too. One day at school was the day I knew. One day at school.